Jews, Muslims, and Bani Israel, decoding Palestine and Israel's shared history for peace. But I have a surprise for you all at the end of my vlog. Trust me, it's a good one. Hello, my dear viewers, and welcome to a cheeky dive into history, served with a historian's sharp gaze and a touch of sass. When Israel pops up, do you see a holy clash? Prophet Moses versus Prophet Muhammad? Oh darling, it's not that tidy. This story is about Palestine's original inhabitants, tangled in politics, not prayers, with the Al-Aqsa Mosque at its heart. Let's unravel the truth and push for peace for Palestine. Let's start with anti-Semitism. Sounds like it's just about hating Jews, especially after the Nazi horrors. Wrong. Semites were ancient folks speaking Hebrew, Arabic, and other languages. Jews, Arabs, all sharing Palestine's land, living, farming, trading. In the 1870s, a grumpy German journalist, Wilhelm Marr, twisted it. Bitter from failed politics, he blamed Jews for Germany's problems, calling them a race taking over. In 1879, he coined anti-Semitism to make his prejudice sound clever, even starting the League of Anti-Semites to spread it. His goal? To mark Jews as outsiders forever. We're here to clear that up, not add to the hate. Now, let's go back to ancient times. The Bible tells of Prophet Jacob, a key figure in Palestine's story. In a dream, he saw a ladder to heaven, angels climbing up and down, and Allah promised him children and blessings. Moved, Prophet Jacob vowed to build a sacred place, a mosque, on that spot, believed by some to be where the Al-Aqsa Mosque now stands in Jerusalem. This site, holy to Jews, Muslims, and Christians, ties the land's early people to a shared faith. But in 135 CE, the Romans crushed a Jewish revolt, exiling them from Jerusalem. The diaspora scattered Jews, while Arabs and others stayed, working the land, Palestine's original inhabitants. In medieval Europe, Jews faced tough times, locked in ghettos, blamed for bad harvests, or worse. Some turned to money lending, barred from other jobs, and that sparked resentment. Was it their looks? Not quite. Some had Middle Eastern roots, but the issue was faith, money, and being outsiders. History is harsh on those who stand out. Here's a brighter note. In 637 CE, Caliph Umar ibn al-Khattab took Jerusalem and welcomed Jews back to worship alongside Muslims and Christians. The Al-Aqsa Mosque, already a sacred site, became a symbol of shared faith under his rule. Muslims believe Prophet Muhammad ascended to heaven from there, adding to its holiness. For centuries, Palestine was a shared home. Not perfect, but proof coexistence is possible. So, how did we get today's mess? Empires swapped the land. Romans, Crusaders, Ottomans, then the British. In the 1900s, Europe, haunted by the Holocaust, 6 million Jewish lives lost in a horrific genocide, promised Jews a homeland in Palestine. We condemn the Holocaust, and let's be clear, genocide by anyone, anywhere, is never okay. But giving Palestine away to ease Europe's guilt ignored the Arabs living there for generations. In 1948, Israel was created, displacing hundreds of thousands of Palestinians, their homes and lives uprooted. The Al-Aqsa Mosque, a beacon of faith, stands amid this pain, a reminder of the land's deep roots. This isn't about Prophet Jacob, Prophet Moses, or Prophet Muhammad fighting over scriptures. It's politics, land, power, borders. People tossed in religious anger, turning a land dispute into a blaze. Palestinians, descendants of those original inhabitants, have lost homes, freedom, and lives. Peace for them, with Al-Aqsa as a shared symbol, isn't just a dream, it's justice. Could this have been fixed? History says yes. Omar showed Jews and Muslims could share Palestine, praying side by side near Al-Aqsa. But guilt, fear, and power games took over. And innocent people, kids, families, suffer. This isn't about picking sides. It's about seeing the humanity of Palestine's people, their ancient ties to the land, their story. Peace means giving them their rights, their home, their peace. Thanks for joining me. Let's keep pushing for Palestine's peace, because it's time. Oh, the surprise! Users that sign up with my link will get 50 extra video minutes in their first month when they purchase any paid plan on InVideo. The link is in the description box.